We recommend to clean your brushes once a week. With the proper tools, fitting this into your daily routine can be an enjoyable experience. Cleaning your makeup brushes prolongs the brush's lifespan, dissolves product buildup, oil, and dirt that can cause imperfections on your face, removes harmful bacteria, and creates better makeup application. Sigmagic Brush Shampoo and any of our Sigma Spa brush care tools make brush cleaning practical for any lifestyle. Unlike brush sprays that only remove the residual makeup from the surface of brush bristles, Sigmagic Brush Shampoo provides a deep clean that strengthens and conditions brush fibers. The first of its kind, our Sigmagic Scrub, is a 2-in-1 solid cleanser and Sigma Spa silicone texture. Our newest brush care innovation, we created this cleansing tool to help make brush cleaning practical for every lifestyle. To use, suction Sigmagic Scrub to the side of your sink. Using warm, running water, swirl your dirty brushes in circular motions on the silicone texture to lather. Rinse well and repeat as needed until the water runs clear and brushes are clean. To achieve the ultimate clean and extend the life of your scrub, pair it with a Sigma Spa brush cleaning tool using the patented texture to rinse and refine brush bristles. Once the solid cleanser in your Sigmagic Scrub runs out, use the silicone textures with Sigmagic Brush Shampoo liquid or foam for continuous brush care. For best results, dry and reshape your brushes using a Sigma Dry and Shape Tower.